Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about the chapter number 11. Yes, chapter number 11 part 2. Part 1 is all uploaded on my YouTube channel. I hope you will look the part 1. If you don't see the part 1 video, then go see the part 1 video and then look the video part 2. In past part we have completed 5 question. Yes, we have completed 5 question of this exercise. Now in this video I will start from question number 6 here. So I read question number 6. Choose the Venn diagram which best illustrate the three classes: dogs, animals and pets. Means हमें क्या करना है, ऑप्शन नंबर ए बी सी एंड डी. फ्रॉम ऑप्शन नंबर ए बी सी एंड डी we choose correct answer on the behalf of this relation: dogs, animals and pets. So look in the options. First option, this outer circle from animal, this pets and this dogs. What I see in this Venn diagram or figure means we know that all dogs are animals. Yes or not? All dogs are animals, but we cannot pet all animal. Yes, but we pet all dogs. So which relation is correct? Zoom this figure. This outer circle is so the all these things inside this circle is inside this, means dog circle. This inside this circle means all dogs are animal. This is right. Second condition, this other other animals, other 5 dog and other animals in this inside the circle. And second is this part. Which part? You look, this is the common part, common in both, means we pet only these dogs and this not, we not pet, we not all dogs. So which is the correct answer? Option number A is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 7. Read this question. Which of the following Venn diagram best represents the relationship amongst number 1 fractions, number 2 rational numbers and whole numbers? We find the relationship from the option A, B, C and D. Relationship between fractions, rational numbers and whole numbers. Means we know that all rational numbers are fractions. Yes or not? All rational numbers are fractions and all what? All whole numbers, sorry, all fractions and rational numbers are whole numbers. So option C is the correct answer. Outer circle is whole number, then second circle inside the outer circle is rational number, and inside circle of rational number is fraction. So A is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 8. Which of the following Venn diagram best represents the relationship among science, physics and chemistry? Very easy question, students. So physics and chemistry both are the branch of science. So which is the correct answer? Option number A. No, because physics not comes under the chemistry or chemistry not comes under the physics. So option number A is the correct answer. Yes, no, option number A is the wrong answer. So move to option number B. This option not describe. फर्स्ट कंडीशन हमारी क्या है? फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री बोथ कम्स अंडर द साइंस. सो दिस इज द ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन नंबर डी. आउटर सर्कल इज साइंस, इनर सर्कल इज फिजिक्स एंड second branch is chemistry. So option number C is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 9. Which of the following Venn diagrams depicts the relationship amongst teacher, man and players? We find the relationship among teacher, man and players, but here we know all teachers is not man all men are not player and all players are not teacher and all players are not men. So how to find the relationship? But some teachers are men, yes or not? Some men are players and also some men are teachers. So we can find the relationship of some. Here no, because men's and teachers and players both are different shown in the option A. This is the wrong. Move to option number E. Here the Venn diagram shows all three are different places, so this is also wrong. Move to option number C. Here I am zoom this question, means Venn diagram. Here we look, this is the man, this is the teacher and this is the player, yes or not? Here we look, some men are teacher and some men are player. Here some men are player, some men are teacher, yes or not? This condition is satisfy the relationship among the teacher, men and player, so C is the correct answer. Move to next question. Which of the following options represents the given Venn diagram? Here I look, Venn diagram is given in the question and we find the elements. Which elements put the best relationship according to the Venn diagram? Start from option number A. Body, hand and eatable. Means hand is the part of body, yes or not? This is the this diagram, this body, this is hand. And eatable, hand is not eatable or body is not eatable. So here which relationship is correct? A is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 11. At a dinner party both fish and meat were served. Means एक डिनर पार्टी है, उसमें फिश और मीट दोनों क्या किया जा रहा है? ईट किया जा रहा है. सम टुक ओनली फिश, कुछ लोग केवल फिश खाते हैं. वाइल सम टुक ओनली मीट, कुछ लोग ओनली मीट खाते हैं. देयर वर सम वेजिटेरियंस, पार्टी में क्या है? कुछ ऐसे हैं जो मीट या फिश कुछ नहीं खाते, वेजिटेरियन है. हु डिड नॉट एक्सेप्ट आइदर ऑफ टू, मीन्स कुछ नहीं खाते हैं. वाइल द रेस्ट एक्सेप्टेड बोथ फिश एंड मीट, कुछ ऐसे हैं जो बोथ मीन्स फिश भी ईट करते हैं और मीट भी ईट करते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वेन डायग्राम करेक्टली रिप्रेजेंट दिस सिचुएशन? हेयर you read question carefully from your book and I am giving the explanation. And zoom this, yes. Start from option number A. Here we look from this, inside this is the persons. Inside this what? Some are eating the fish, some are eating the meat, some are vegetarian. But vegetarian is different. That person eat fish, also non-vegetarian, and who is the eating the meat, also non-vegetarian. So this is the incorrect answer. Move to next option. Here we look, non-vegetarian or vegetarian both are different things. So first thing you keeping in the mind, vegetarian different from the non-vegetarian. So in which option we look there this condition? We look in the option C. This is the different and this is the different, means this is the vegetarian, yes or not? This is the non-vegetarian, yes or not? Now condition in the non-vegetarian, some took fish, another took what? Another took meat. But in the common area, in this common area, these persons are took meat and fish both. So option number C is the correct answer. Now move to next question. Question number 12. Terrorists who are not hardcore criminal are represented by. Venn diagram is given. We know that different shapes used in the Venn diagram. Condition: criminals shows by the circle, hardcore criminals shows by the square, and terrorist shows by the what? Triangle. Conditions क्या given है? टेररिस्ट है who are, but टेररिस्ट हैं but क्या नहीं है? नॉट हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल. टेररिस्ट means terrorist but not hardcore criminal are represent. Which number represent terrorist but not hardcore criminal? Look, circle represents criminal, means criminal, terrorist or hardcore criminal both are criminal. First condition, inside the circle. Second, square present hardcore criminal, but the number not comes under the square. And terrorist, yes, terrorist, but number comes into the triangle. So look in the figure and find which number comes under the circle and triangle but not in the square shape. Which number? 3. Not 3 comes under the square and circle. 4 comes only the circle, and number 2 is comes under the triangle and square. Only one, what, only one number is comes under the triangle, means terrorist, and under the circle and triangle means terrorist, criminal but not hardcore criminal. So option number B is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 13. In the given Venn diagram, find the region representing persons who are educated and employed but confirmed in job. In the given diagram means given diagram में find the region, कौन सा रीजन हमें फाइंड करना है? रिप्रेजेंट्स पर्सन्स हु आर एजुकेटेड, मीन्स फर्स्ट कंडीशन हमारे पास क्या है? पर्सन्स क्या है? एजुकेटेड हैं, एंड एम्प्लॉयड मीन्स एम्प्लॉयड भी हैं एंड एजुकेटेड भी हैं, बट नॉट क्या नहीं है? कन्फर्म जॉब नहीं है. एम्प्लॉयड, एजुकेटेड बट नॉट ए कन्फर्म जॉब. फर्स्ट सर्कल shows the educated, second circle shows the employed, and triangle shows the confirmed job. First condition, number comes under both circles, means employed and educated both, but not comes under the what? Triangle, confirmed in job. So start looking in the figure. A comes under only one circle, so this is incorrect answer. Move to C. C only comes under the employed circle, so this is the incorrect answer. E comes under the employed circle and confirmed in job, but in the given condition not confirmed in job, so this is the incorrect answer. Now move to D. D comes under the employed, educated and confirmed in job, means all three conditions, so this is the also incorrect. We have look only bird the B look like educated and employed both but not confirmed in job. So B find option number C, that should fit on the given condition. So option number C is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 14. In the given figure, the girls who are students and are disciplined are indicated which number? Given condition, girls students हैं and disciplined है, means first condition girls, second students and disciplined. Here given in the question, if you not look the question clearly, look into your book. So triangle shows the girls and circle shows the students, rectangle shows the disciplined and square shows the boys. Look into the figure. We find first condition girls, means number comes under the triangle. Second condition is student, so also number comes under the circle. Third condition disciplined, means also comes under the rectangle but not boys, means not comes under the square. Look at the number, start from 1. One number is comes under the rectangle, yes, disciplined. Second, inside the circle, but number 1 is not comes under the inside the circle, so this is the incorrect answer. Number 1 is incorrect answer. Look the number 2 comes under the circle, yes, student, satisfied. Now comes under the rectangle, yes, discipline, satisfied, but not comes under the triangle, means not girls. Number 2 shows not the girls, so this is the also incorrect answer. Move to option number C. Number 3 comes under the rectangle, yes, disciplined, and also comes under the circle. Yes, students satisfied. Now move to third condition, means girls shows by triangle. So number 3 is also comes under the triangle and not comes under the square. So option C means 3 is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now move to next question. Question number 15. Read the question number 15. In the given diagram, rectangle represents man, triangle represents educated, circle represents urban, and square represents government employee. These conditions are given and figure is shows here. Yes or not? Now, which of the following represents a man, urban, as well as government employee, but not educated? Yes or not? We can find the answer from the options A, B, C and D on the behalf of given conditions. So start from option number A, means 7. Look, the number 7 comes under the first condition, comes under the square. Yes or not? Comes under the square. 7 comes under the square. Square represents what in the given diagram? Rectangle man, triangle educated, circle urban, and square represents government employee here as well as government employee. First condition satisfied. Second condition is urban, means man, also comes under rectangle. Rectangle represents man, following a man means man, but 7 number is not shows the man, means not comes under the rectangle. So this is the incorrect option. Move to option number B, number 13. 13 comes under the rectangle, means first condition satisfied. Also comes under the square. Square shows the government employee. Yes or not? Second condition is satisfied and also comes under the what? Third condition is government employee, and urban comes under the circle, but number 13 is not comes under the circle. So this is the also incorrect answer. Move to option number C. C comes under the circle. Circle represents urban, condition satisfied, and also comes under the square. Square represents government employee. Second condition is satisfied, but man, rectangle shows the man, but number 10 not comes under the rectangle, means this. So this is the incorrect answer. Move to option number D, means 6. 6 comes under the square, rectangle and circle. What square shows? Square shows government employee, condition satisfied, and rectangle shows man, and second man, condition satisfied, and third but not educated. Educated shows by the triangle, and number 6 not comes under the triangle. So this is the correct answer. Option number D is the correct answer. Move to next question and last question of this chapter. Read this question. In the given figure, the triangle represents the students who passed in physics, the rectangle represents the students who passed in chemistry, and the circle represents the students who passed in mathematics. In a class, how many students passed in mathematics only? Means mathematics, who students, सर्कल केमिस्ट्री एंड सर्कल रिप्रेजेंट, सर्कल क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? लुक, सर्कल रिप्रेजेंट्स द स्टूडेंट हु पास्ड इन मैथमेटिक्स इन क्लास। मीन सबसे पहले हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? नंबर किसके इनसाइड में आना चाहिए? ओनली सर्कल। मीन्स कंडीशन क्या गिवन? हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट पास्ड ओनली मैथमेटिक्स, मीन्स ओनली मैथमेटिक्स में क्या है जो स्टूडेंट पास हैं। तो हम यहाँ कंडीशन देखेंगे कि सर्कल रिप्रेजेंट, सर्कल क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? स्टूडेंट्स हु पास्ड इन मैथमेटिक्स। मीन्स सबसे पहले वाली कंडीशन हमको क्या मिल गई? सर्कल क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? जो स्टूडेंट मैथमेटिक्स में पास है। हमको फाइंड क्या करना है? वही स्टूडेंट जो ओनली मैथमेटिक्स में पास हैं। नंबर 3 कम्स अंडर द ट्राइंगल एंड सर्कल बोथ, फॉर दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट आंसर। नंबर 8 कम्स अंडर ओनली ट्राइंगल, दिस इज द ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट आंसर। 10 कम्स अंडर द स्क्वायर, फॉर दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट आंसर। 12 comes under the square and triangle, this is the incorrect answer. and 11 comes under the triangle, square and rectangle. All three condition. This is the incorrect answer. Question 4 comes under rectangle and circle. This is the incorrect answer. Number 5 comes only under with the circle, and circle represents students who passed in mathematics. We find it also. So where is the number 5? A, not incorrect answer. C, incorrect answer. D, incorrect answer. B is the number 5. Option number B is the correct answer. So chapter finished, chapter number 11 finished. So like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt and any question related to the chapter, then comment in the comment section. We solve your query. Also join the Hamari Pathshala official telegram channel. Thank you. We meet in the next video.